New Delhi, December 20th. The e-visa facility for Canadian passport holders has been restored with effect from December 20th. It was announced. The High Commission of India, Ottawa, in a statement said that those Canadian passport holders who wish to visit India for tourism, business, medical or conference purposes, may apply for e-visa. It has given a link to apply for e-visa with certain instructions to be followed. However, the mission has given a separate link for those Canadian passport holders seeking to travel to India for any purpose not qualifying for e-visa. The same process is applicable to laissez-passer travel document holders, it said. Those who have applied for visa through various BLS centers in Canada are advised to wait for issuance of the same. All such applications will be processed on priority. Those applicants who wish to withdraw their respective visa applications may do so by visiting the website, it said. The Indian High Commission further said that those who have booked appointments to apply for tourist, business, medical or conference visa at BLS centers in Canada and would, now, like to apply for e-visa instead, are requested to vacate, cancel their appointment slots so that the same becomes available to others seeking visa or consular services. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.